In this example, we're given a set of numbers and we want to break them down into their categories. As you have right here, we first have all the real numbers. So all numbers are called real numbers. Then we break that down into two categories. We have the irrational numbers, such as pi, and we have the rational numbers, which is all the numbers that we usually use, most of them. They're non-irrationals. So irrationals and rationals, right? From the rationals, we have the integers, which are all the negatives and positives. Before the integers, we have the whole numbers. So it goes from 0 to positive infinity. From whole, that's the 0, to positive infinity. The natural numbers don't count 0, from 1 to positive infinity. So let's take this set of numbers and categorize them where they go. So let's start with natural numbers from 1 to positive infinity. So which ones do we have? Let's see. If 64, what is the square root of 64? Square root of 64 gives you 8. That's a natural number. Okay? Now, no more natural numbers. Let's see whole numbers from 0 to positive infinity. Well, we have 0 and definitely 8. So we have 0 and 8. Let's put them like this. Those are whole numbers. Okay, let's just do this one like that. Great. Now let's look for integers. We're going to count all the negatives and the positives. So we have negative 11, right? Integers. No decimals, no fractions. Whole numbers. They have to be natural whole numbers and they're integers. So now we have, for integers, we have negative 11. I meant to put 0 and 8. These are integers. Okay? Now after integers, we're going to look for the rational numbers. Okay? So now this includes the negatives, the positive, the decimals, and the fractions. Okay? So what do we have? We have negative 5 over 6, and we have 0.75. So let's write it in order. Negative 11, negative 5 over 6, the 0, 0.75, and the square root of 8 or 64. Let's just put square root 8 since we've been using 8. And that's for rational. Okay. Now the irrational numbers are things such as non-repeating decimals, such as pi, square root of 2. In this case, we only have pi. So So if I were to say, give me a list of the real numbers, you will be giving me the original question. So all of this are real numbers. All numbers. So that's how you categorize those. Make sure you know the breakdown and what goes for each category. And those are your final answers.